This has consistently been one of the most popular recipes on our site, and to top it off, it's a family favourite as well. This chicken pasta bake is so tasty and it makes great leftovers for the next day's lunch too. I've got the oven preheating to 190 degrees C or 375 F, and I've got a pan of water coming to the boil. I'm going to be using rigatoni pasta. I've got 14 ounces or 400 grams here. You can use any other pasta type if you haven't got any rigatoni in your store cupboard though. Let's add that to the pan. We're going to cook the pasta for about a minute less than the recommendation on the back of the pack. So that's about 14 minutes for mine. While the pasta's cooking, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil to a large frying pan, and I'm going to add the chicken to the pan. I've got 3 large chicken breasts here that I've cut into bite-sized pieces. We're going to cook it for about 5 minutes until it's just sealed. Then add a diced onion to the pan and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the onion softens. Now add in a chopped red and yellow pepper, a tablespoon of tomato puree, a good pinch of salt and pepper, 2 cloves of minced garlic and half a teaspoon each of oregano and thyme. Stir that together and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add 2 400 gram or 14 ounce tins of chopped tomatoes. Stir in 120 ml or half a cup of double cream. I've brought that to a gentle bubble and now I'm going to add in the cooked pasta. Now we're going to add 100 grams or 3 packed cups of baby spinach leaves and 6 chopped up cooked rashers of smoky bacon. Stir everything together and then transfer it to a large baking dish. Top with 100 grams or 1 cup of mature grated cheddar and 100 grams of grated mozzarella. And place it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is golden brown and bubbling. That's my chicken bacon pasta bake, one of the most popular recipes on the blog. Sprinkle it with a little parsley and then we're ready to serve.